Hey, it's David C. with the brokerage.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage.
A small office space is very hard to find, and in great locations like 5638 North Rhett, we've got something we'd love for you to come take a look at for sale.
That's right. Great office space here on North Rhett. 3,000 square feet, just over 3,000 square feet, on a little bit less than a half an acre. Great parking. Great entrance, exit on the backside. It's just a great spot here at 5638 North Rhett.
And I was off 526 literally in about 30 seconds to the door. And it is hard to get around this community now with our growing traffic. So this is an ideal location for someone that wants to have a nice, clean place to work, but also wants to get places in Charleston very easily, even if you're just going straight through Hanahan.
That's right. Hanahan's just across the street here, David. So bring your workforce here into this office space. You've got Parker's Kitchen right next door. Ease of entry for sure.
And take a look at the nice layout and how it flows. I think you'll love it. It's a very flexible building, has a lot of ability to walk through from room to room. So this modified floor plan, it will work really well for any type of business. So let us know if you have any questions. Be happy to show it to you. David C., you can reach me at 843-364-6720.
And John Tafoe with the brokerage. Give me a call, 843-813-1228.
Thank you.